How to mute someone's stories and post on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing ways to mute someone's story on Instagram. So if you want to stop seeing a person's stories, perhaps because they post content you find annoying, here are the options. First of all, you have to go to the Instagram application, go to official website of the Instagram and log into your specific account. And after you do that, tap on the profile of the person you'd like to mute. Tap on the following option in the top. Once you do that, you will be given various options. From there, simply tap on mute option that is below the add to favorite option. Click on it. Simply select either post or stories or both to mute. Click on save and their stories or the post will no longer show up in your feed. And if you ever want to unmute their stories, just return to their profile and toggle the mute option off and click on save and you'll be done. The next method to simply restrict someone from your Instagram is to go to their profile, click on these three dots in the top and then click on restrict. Tap on restrict account again to confirm and you'll be done. So this is exactly how you can mute someone's stories and post on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.